if you're working in a mixed environment and you want to enable printing on your server by other machines, such as Unix machines, you need to add something called TCP IP printing. TCP IP printing can also be referred to as LPD printing, line printer daemon, because in the Unix environment, in order for the printing to work properly, you need to be running something in the background called a daemon. Let's go on and see how we would set up TCP IP printing. We begin by going to Start, Settings, Control Panel, and then Admin of Programs. We need to select Windows Components. From the Windows Components dialog box, we need to scroll down to Other Network File and Print Services. Highlight this. Don't just put a check mark in there. You want to go inside of it and see what's going on. So after it's highlighted, we click on Details, and we're going to check Print Services for Unix. Now, if we wanted to add print services for Macintosh or file services for Macintosh, this is where we do it as well. But this is what we're concerned with, our TCP IP printing. Click OK. Next. It wants my CD-ROM. I put it in the drive. I'm going to click OK. Let it copy some files. Okay, everything's complete. I click Finish. And close. There are a couple of command line utilities I want to take a look at that are associated with your TCP IP printing. Let's go to a command line at this time. And just to get our letters straight, right now the LPD, which is the line printer daemon, is running on this server. That's what we set up when we installed our TCP IP printing. So LPD is running in the background. It's waiting for a print job that can be sent from a Unix machine. If we want to send a print job with a command line, we use the LPR. LPR stands for Line Printer Remote. I hit Enter to see some of the options that we have here, because we can make some specifications we want to print a job. So LPR is what's used to send a print job to an LPD printer. And there's one more here, LPQ. This can be used to view the state of the LPD queue. So a brief but very important review here. The LPD is the same thing as TCP IP printing, and this is the line printer daemon. This is what runs in the background and allows you to print from a Unix machine to your server. The LPR is what is used to send a print job to your LPD, and the LPQ is a utility that will allow you to check your LPD queue.